The EIC is a very important instrument, maybe the most important one when it comes to supporting startups from 0 to 100.
We really want to open the markets for you and facilitate those interactions, facilitate finding right partners in the right moment.
We have obtained very relevant connections when it comes to investors and potential investors and business partners.
We've been traveling around the world, showcasing our innovation and products and gotten very good feedback.
And this is how we see the bus influencing the capital that we are providing as an EIC to all startups.
Where is the added value of the EIC Business Acceleration Services is that we can connect you across Europe and across the continents.